surgery like life is a team sport.
Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. We are still in Edmonton right now, but on Wednesday, so Thursday's video for you, we will be leaving for Las Vegas, which I'm so freaking excited for. If you guys saw my Vegas fail video, which I will link up here, that never gets any easier. You will know that, yeah, my first Vegas experience was like not at all what it was advertised to be. So I'm really excited to like give it a second go. But in order for me to go to Vegas, or it will at least help my way to Vegas, I need to pack. Like, I need to pack so badly. So yeah, I've been kind of lazy these last few days. I've been not feeling well, like trying to get myself back to normal health or like fight off, I don't know what, but I think because the weather here has been so crazy, like snowing and then raining and then it's been warm and then it's been freezing cold, it's just not been very good for my health. So I am in bed right now with my notebook and my handy dandy cell phone, of course, and I've just been doing some like work and emails and stuff like that from bed this morning, but it's time to pack. Okay, let's go back. See, I say it and then I don't move. Let's go pack. Okay, so excuse the mess that my closet is, but I have like hung a few dresses that I want to bring to Vegas here on this side, and then I have some Thailand stuff as well because we are leaving for Thailand not too soon after we get back from Vegas. So I've like slowly been trying to like prepare some outfits as I put my laundry away so that I'm not like super overwhelmed. So I'm gonna pull this stuff out of my closet. And then I'll lay it all out on my bed and sort of like cut down on things that I want or do not want for this trip, because that's usually what I'll do. So what I do is I will set aside, like through the weeks that are upcoming before my trip, I'll set aside all the things that I'm like, oh, that would be really nice to wear in Vegas, so that would be really nice to wear in Thailand, whatever. There's a little... Is it a fly or is that a fluff? Anyways, I will like, yeah, set aside things that I think that I would like to wear while I'm there. And then of course, usually I end up having too much stuff. So I will cut down on my packing after that.
I saw the light go down on Baker Street. Don't know exactly where he wants to meet.
Okay, I did it. Be super proud of me. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I packed for, we're going for 3 nights and 4 days. So I'm admittedly probably overpacking even still, but this is what I got. So this is my airplane outfit right here. Like a fairly warm pullover because I'm coming from Edmonton and it's still cold. And then a pair of like super comfy jeans. I don't usually wear jeans on the plane, but it's a short flight and they're super comfy. And then I also have like this really light long sleeve pullover that I can wear while I'm in Vegas. It's backless, but it's like just super easy to pull over really anything. Then for dresses, I'm gonna skip over that because this is just like a little lacy like under top kind of thing. But for dresses, I did 3 possible dresses because if we went out all 3 nights and I needed dresses for all 3 nights, I would have them. They're super light and super easy to pack up, so why not? And then I have one like kind of strapless dressy romper that I'm bringing also for like a going out activity, I guess I should say, where I don't necessarily need to be like super dressed up. And we'll come over here and I have 2 pairs of shorts, 1 pair of like low-rise shorts, and then 1 pair of high-waisted shorts. And then I have what did I do here? I got 1, 2, 3, 4 tops, and then 1 little kimono like cover up for the pool. And then I did 1 one-piece swimsuit, 2 bottoms and 2 tops. So that should cover me, assuming that we go to the pool every day. This is gonna be my shoe situation. I'm going to do 1 pair of strappy sandals that I can wear that are like a little bit dressier, so I could wear them potentially with a dress if I needed to. 1 pair of cute little like floral flats, because again, flats are gonna be the way to go if we're gonna be walking everywhere. And then, because you do need a pair of heels, I went with these bad boys. You know, they're Vegas appropriate. And yes, they are super, super tall boots. I understand that. Like really high heels. But the thing is that, so for those of you who don't know, and I'm not gonna get into the whole story, but I messed my foot up pretty bad like a year and a half ago when I was surfing in Bali, and it's just never really fully recovered, my foot and my ankle. And so heels have been difficult for me. And these are the only high heels that I have that offer like a ton of ankle and foot support. So that's kind of why I ended up picking them. Every other heel that I own is like backless, or it's just kind of strappy, and I can't wear them anymore, which makes me so sad, but I can't wear them anymore. So that was really my only option other than like knee-high winter boots, which I don't know, that doesn't scream Vegas to me. So that's what I got myself situated with. Let's pack her all up. The plan is to be able to fit everything in this carry-on sized luggage suitcase. I think I should be able to do it because I really don't have that much stuff, but I guess we'll see.
I'm afraid that I might fall again. I saw someone coming towards me. That someone's gonna set me free. There she was.
So for my swimsuits, I always pack them in like a little plastic. This is like one of those bags that you get like curtains and bed sheets and stuff in. I always save those zippered up bags. So that I can use them kind of like packing cubes, I guess. But I like to put my swimsuits in there with a sarong so that like if I have to pack them up at the end of the trip and they're still kind of damp or whatever, I can just put them back in the plastic and deal with it later. Also, when I pack my shoes into like a more durable sort of drawstring bag that I can then put in on top of my clothes and not have to worry about like any bottom of shoe filth getting all over my belongings. And then for this trip, I actually packed all of my dresses and everything on one side of my suitcase, sort of towards the top. Usually I would pack my dresses closer to the bottom because I wouldn't be wearing them as much, but because I'm going to be in one place in Vegas and I'm probably going to be going out every night, when I get to the hotel, I'm just going to pull all of my dresses out and hang them up anyways. So they're all going right here. And last but not least, I've left a little space right here for my makeup and my, what else goes here? Jewelry. So that is going to be it for me for today. I'm just gonna leave it here. I am packed and ready to go. So next video that you guys see on this channel, we will be headed to Las Vegas and I'll give you guys a little show around the hotel and everything like that. I'm ready for the heat and I'm about as packed as I'm gonna be for now. So yeah, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Definitely do it because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. And if you are a Vegas goer and you have any packing tips or tricks that you would love to share in the comments below, I'm sure that future viewers would appreciate it. Anyways, that's gonna be it for me for today. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay great, travel safe, bye.